everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge Star, Continuous Knowledge Excellence. My name is Nisha Masroor. In this video, we will get to know about synthesis of antibody. Now, our expert Professor Himadri B. Bohidar, who is associated with National Center Excellence in Agro Nanotechnology, Terry Daikon Nanotechnology Center, India. He has 31 years of academic experience in teaching and research. His area of expertise includes nanoscience and nanotechnology, nanobiointerface science, soft matter science, polymer physics and biophysics. We'll explain you in detail about this topic. So, to get complete information, watch full video without skip.
Orochloric acid AHUCl4. It's mixed with water. Then you need a reducing agent. Reducing agent earlier we used was glucose. You can also use sodium citrate. You can use any carbohydrate that will do the job. There or any organic chemical that has the reducing capacity. So sodium citrate is added to this thing. Sodium citrate has the advantage that it can reduce this gold salt and also make a coating of the citrate on the surface of the freshly synthesized gold nanoparticles, thereby providing it a steric hindrance from aggregation. So the particles remain apart from each other. One major problem in nanoparticle synthesis is the problem of aggregation immediately after the synthesis of the nanomaterial. Because of the small size and large surface area, they are not sustainable thermodynamically in the solution environment. So therefore, to minimize the surface free energy, they will always cluster together to make a larger cluster. So that has to be stopped. And stopping that is very easy. Use a reducing agent like sodium citrate, which will do the job of reduction of the precursor salt. Plus, after the nanomaterial is made, a nanoparticle in this case, this citrate molecules will come and sit on the surface of the gold nanoparticle, providing it a steric stability. Okay, now that is heated to something like not very high temperature. You can keep it to about 60-70 degree near boiling point for 15 minutes, but the pH has to be in the basic pH region. And then you cool it to room temperature and then you have filter it.
Wait. Are you worried about your project, training, dissertation, internship? Don't think too much because Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, in short NSTC, is giving you a golden opportunity to do the same tasks. NSTC also conducts workshop on amazing topics. So if you want to register in the workshop, the registration link is given in the description box below, or you may go to the website www.nanoschool.in where you can easily enroll in the workshops. So just check it out right now.
Centrifuge it, purify it, the standard protocol. Then you store it. The dispersion will be wine colored, very brightly dispersion. So it's impossible to miss. You started with a transparent, colorless solution of gold precursor, and you are ending up with a bright wine colored dispersion. So then you have achieved the success, you have made the gold nanoparticle. After you have made the nanoparticle, it is necessary that in order to identify this particular virus, you need to put a sensing agent on it or a detecting agent on it, which will specifically target that specific virus. So then one uses an antibody, MAB in this particular case. So this is mixed with the gold nanoparticle, incubated with the gold nanoparticle for about 2-3 hours at 37 degrees Celsius at a particular concentration that is mentioned here. And through hydrophobic and electrostatic interaction, they will all bind. Ionic interaction, they will bind very nicely. But not all the surface of the gold nanoparticle is bound to the antibody. So there will be patches which are still exposed. So we need to block those patches. That is done by adding BSA to the solution that binds to gold nanoparticle surface very nicely. And then you have no reactive sites on the gold nanoparticle left anymore. So what you have is antibody immobilized gold nanoparticle, which can be used. The rest is basically you wash it, centrifuge it and clean it and then filter it and then store it for future use. The protocols are very much standard, and you're going to see the slides will be shared with you, so you can read the protocols even later.
I hope you like this video. Here, I would like to give you an important information that Nanoscience and Technology Consortium or NSTC organize the nanotechnology workshops on very interesting topics. Also, I would like to tell you about the initiatives of NSTC in which you can also be a part of, like mentorship, patent commercialization, joint product development, research projects, consultancy services, nanomaterials for your research projects, training programs or customized training programs, workshops or customized workshops. So that's all. If you want to see these type of videos, then please do comment. We will definitely reach out to you. Subscribe to the channel Knowledge Star and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.